Good morning everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas, welcome back to another vlog from my bed. I'd like to say I had a lie-in, but I had a little bit of one. And then I've just been scrolling on my phone because it was Ash's turn to get up with Nelly. Yeah, my curls have kind of stayed in. I'm not hating it, I must say. I miss having curly hair. I used to curl my hair quite a bit, but mum life just means I never get the time anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna go downstairs and have a cup of tea. I think I've got parcel as well, which I can't wait to share with you. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go and have a cup of tea. Just in case you were wondering as well, last night's party was actually quite good. It was meant to be, I think I mentioned, an ABBA themed night. It didn't really hit the mark with ABBA themed, if that makes sense. Like, it was still a good night. But like while we were eating and stuff, they had ABBA playing on a TV for YouTube videos. But it kept like stopping and starting because they were just choosing like singular songs. And I was thinking, just like put it in a, like the YouTuber in me, it was like, just put it in a playlist and play the playlist. And it kept coming up with like ads, and it was just all a bit weird. And then the DJ started like after we'd all eaten, and I think we left at 11. We didn't stay the full night in the end, and I think he played like 2 ABBA songs, and I mean he'd been on for a couple of hours, so it's a bit weird. And like the songs he was playing, it was a bit IB3, like I don't know, and I think the speakers were either angled wrong or they were just too loud. Like, it was hurting my ears, so I was like, do you know what, I think it's time to go. Everyone else was leaving as well, so I was just like, I think I'm at my limit of the loud music. The food was okay. Like, nothing special, if that makes sense. It was okay. That's all I would say. Like, the veg was soft, which is a big thing for me because normally I end up like stabbing a sprout or a carrot and it going everywhere. So yeah, that was nice and soft. The veg was really nice. It was tasty. There just wasn't a lot of it, if that makes sense. I felt like it was a bit a la carte, but it wasn't meant to be a la carte. But yeah. Look at this service. You're going to say good morning to the vlog?
Good morning.
No.
No.
How is she?
She's fine.
She's whinging. Oh, well. Right, you sit up here. Mummy's got something exciting been delivered. You ready? Let me put it there. Where's the TV remote list? Hang on. Right, how do you... Here you go. You gonna see what's in Mummy's box? Should we have a look? Exciting. Mummy's been waiting for this. Just needs a little bit of rectifying, I think. How friggin' adorable is this? And it wiggles. I love it. Another Big Boss Toys purchase. And such a bargain too. I paid £12, I think it was. And like, it's sturdy. Well, you can see yourself in a sense. Is that sturdy? Is that gonk? Oh. Mummy added to her gonk collection. You gonna give the gonk a kiss, Nelly? You gonna give it a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Is that pretty? Is he pretty or she? I kissed Mummy last night. Mummy missed you. Mwah. Mummy missed you. No, that's Daddy's drink. That's still got drink in it, darling. Oh. Yeah, it's heavy, isn't it? Is that one heavy? You watching Crouch Recovery? You watching Crouch Recovery? She's so cute. I did really miss her last night though. To be fair, like really missed her. But it was good to be out. Like, it was good to be out. I'm just gonna sit and play with Nelly. Have a cup of tea. Don't eat that. That's fluff off the gonk. Yeah, sit and have a cup of tea. I want to catch up on I'm a Celeb because I believe last night was possibly Cyclone, I think, or it's tonight, I don't know, one or the other. Like the final is tonight, so I don't quite know what went on. I didn't keep up to date with it, but Mummy's gonna hold it instead because you're trying to steal it and break it. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch up on that and just put around. I need to put our dinner in the slow cooker in a second when Ash is back to keep an eye on her. We are having lamb tonight. I had a leg of lamb from the market. Well, I had two actually. Hello. Mwah. So I'm going to put it in the slow cooker if it will fit. Oh. And then it'll be nice and soft by tea time. But yeah. I love that gonk so much. I honestly thought I'd missed out on it, but I'm so glad it's arrived. So glad. So one very happy lady. I'm just waiting for one more parcel from them, but hopefully that should arrive soon. And not, I can't even remember if I've said on here or not. Sorry if I've repeated myself, and I have said in one of these videos, but one of my parcels finally arrived from Every after 6 weeks, and they so-called lost it. Only for me to like look at the packaging, and the person that's worked in retail and orders loads of packaging as well knew straight away it had been tampered with. And between it being sent and arriving here, somebody within Every had opened it up, taken out what I'd ordered and replaced it with something that I hadn't ordered, and apparently I'm not the only one. So clearly there is something going wrong within Every. Like when it was Hermes, they obviously were awful then, but this is like a whole new level. Who steals someone's stuff as a delivery driver? Oh, so I can't help but feel that probably is what ends up on the Amazon package stores half the time, is actually stuff that was stolen. You want to talk, do you? They go. Go. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh. Ba 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 ba. Oh. What happened there? You can't knock your teeth out because you ain't got any. Thank you. That's like a bit of sausage from yesterday.
Oh.
That's the noises Daddy was making. Oh, show Daddy your new gonk.
Come here, Dad. Hey.
What do you think?
Is it wobble?
Yeah, it wobbles. Weebles wobble, but they won't fall down.
Oh dear.
And it stands up when Nelly's not hitting it. Yeah, that's his nose. Oh!
Now get it. What's the matter with you? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Can I have my gonk back? Thank you. Before you pluck him. Can you say ma 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 ma?
You say la 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 la.
Where's da 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 da? Do you see Dada?
Come here, Nanny. Come here. Come here. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Nelly is sat on the tractor.
Oh, your spatial awareness is the same as a bloody ferry.
Same as yours. Oh! Where's my mum, 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 mum? Mwah.
Bye-bye.
Wah, 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 wah.
Yeah, Dada, I'm over here.
I'm Mama.
La 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 la. You're mad.
Yeah, I don't know what she's doing. Me and my shadow.
Trying to get a taste out of her.
I just wanted to show you how pretty do these curtains now look, these net curtains. These are the ones that I featured in my market haul the other day, but they are just, I love them so much. Now I just need to get different curtains and maybe some like curtain tie back things. I think that will look quite nice. So yeah, it's a productive day. I have cleaned the windows. There's a massive streak just up here. I don't know if it's showing it because my Karcher ran out of battery part way through, but it will do for now, and I can give them another good wash very soon. I don't know if you can tell, but my skin has got progressively worse as the day's gone on. Ash is just currently outside putting up some lights on our porch in the hope that they stay up now that the wind's finished, just to make it look a little bit prettier for now. They're actually the lights that were meant to wrap around a tree though, so we shall see. But yeah, hopefully it can work as magic for now, and then I might look at getting some maybe in the January sales if I see any that are like more specific Christmassy ones, but it's all right for now. Nelly is trying to get out as well. You're very inquisitive, aren't you, these days? You're inquisitive. Can you not work out why Miss Rachel's on the TV but she's not singing any longer? So yeah, that's kind of what's been happening. Hence why I haven't vlogged, because we've just been busy. But I'm literally just cooking dinner now. The lamb joint's been in the, or lamb leg's been in the slow cooker all afternoon. I'm just doing the potatoes as we speak and all the other bits to go with it. And then we can enjoy some nice food that hopefully Nelly won't tip all over the floor for a change. And then I think we're actually going to possibly venture out, wrap up warm, venture out and have a look at some of the Christmas lights. Because, yeah, why not? So if we do that, obviously I'll take you along with me. But yeah, I'm quite looking forward to it actually.
Ready? Gimana Emi pula? Welcome from Kado.
Nelly?
Nelly, this is for you. Yeah. Why don't you open that? What's this? Oh? Yay, that's it. That's it. Don't eat it. Good girl. What's this? Tractor and Friends. Should we have a little look?